so that ningakhohlwa nesithombe negama. Okay, sharp. Okay, Karabo, thank you so much. Nonsi, over to you.
Sanibona Yo. Yeah, Mzala, I had a very interesting day, Mzala.
Yo, wazifaka Mzala ngokuzama ukusiza. Yo.
Yeah. Into engayisho, Mzala bengizile ukuthi ubungibiza but bengidlala imesh and mentally right today angikho kahle Mzala, the day I had, you know. Yeah, ngifelwe imoto amabili ngidayise ngo-3,000 rand, so I need to get a new car. Yeah, but into encane leyo. Ngizozama ukuseva i-respect kumndeni wakubo ka-Amanda yize i-respect wasn't served mina. And yeah, into engingayisho nje kumndeni wonke ukuthi we have guys, we hosted ama-stories and sibalalelile abantu abaningi kwaba nezinto ey'kanjena. Kuyaqala ukuthi kube nento ekanje nomnikazi wendaba engekho, ifamily ibe ngale ndlela eyiyo. I feel ukuthi if niwumndeni wakubo ka-Amanda lento niyenze ngokuthula nangendlela eproper, it would have been different. Niwumndeni anikhulumi nge-respect. If umndeni ufile ukuthi udisrespectiwe, u-Amanda usesibhedlela ngenxa yethu, mina nje am one person okwazi ukuyihambilisha ngixolisa iphonto engiyenzile. I do believe also ama-cucumbers, because it started ngale ukuthi we would have apologized. But mina nje ngokwami at first ngishilo kuphiwe kade ngila guys ukuthi mina ngiyoya ngoxolisa if uSamu ubenze iphutha nomina eseqhamukile. But then ngihlalile ngacabanga ngathi actually ayikho into wrong engiyenzile. Ngihoste i-live njengophiwe njengoba hoste i-live njengothabani, because all these people now abasabalwa. Umndeni nje I feel ukuthi aningifuni, aningithandi and aningirespect. Kubo bonke abantu abahoste i-story nabantu abakhulumile kwindaba unonsi. I cannot serve you respect where I'm not giving you respect. I-respect is end. And ngifuna ukusho ukuthi kuthiwa silent guys, i-silent i-better than umsindo. Makukhuluma umuntu live, kukhuluma abantu abangemuva, and everyone okhulumayo ukhuluma very rudely. Kunzima ukuthi istory sibambeke kahle nathi sikwazi bakhona la khona esi-wrong khona noma ukubiza nabantu. Mina nje angeke ngize ngiyenze live, ngeke ngisayenze live, ayikho live engizoyibiza, ngibize oSami, ngibize omini bangabe bazoxoliswa ngoba I don't feel like I was spoken to. I feel like beningikhonkotha. Therefore, I don't feel like ngidinga ukuxolisa to anyone because I just hosted and asked and ngaba nabantu abawu-2. So ngiyafisa and ngiyacela ngenkulu inhlonipho niyeke ukuthi khona into wrong engiyenzile. Ayikho into wrong engiyenzile. If mina ngi-wrong, should uphiwe u-wrong, uThabani u-wrong, uMakaguchi u-wrong. Because we all listen to i-story. The fact ukuthi bekushare lapha kwi-platform yami, kwakhulunywa platform yami, ayikho into wrong engiyenzile. Angikaze ngisuke mina ngithatha u-Amanda angimazi. Ngiyaqala u-Amanda bengiqala. Mina ngingene ngasearcha u-Amanda, ngaveza ukuthi yilo. Angiyibona into wrong ngokubuza lokho. So if you guys nibona ukuthi ngi-wrong at this point, indlela ekhulumeke ngayo nami, ayikho into engifisa ukuthi mina ngingayisho. Okwesibili, u-Amanda namhlanje ungenile kwi-live yami, ungene wangibuza ukuthi nginjani, nami ngambuza ukuthi unjani. Uqede lapho wathi kumina, uyangazi kona ungazi. Lezi zinto zisho ngami la ku-social media, mina engizisho ngaye. Umini ube kwi-live emini wathi kuney'ndlela bebehamba iphoyinti nasebhishi. Izinto ay'khulumile, ayikho into esengike ngahlala phansi mina ngathi u-Amanda u-wrong la, u-Amanda wenza ukuthi. Ngithe u-Amanda maye ukuthi uyi-recruiter, we need to find u-Amanda. I treated u-Amanda nge-respect nakwi-inbox. Ufake nenamba yakhe, which I'm not going to call her because it disrespect. It is so much. The fact ukuthi u-Amanda ungene wangasho ukuthi Nonsi, nihoste i-live nahosta nosibanibani kwathiwa ngegama lami bengicela ukuzwa on your side Nonsi ukuthi kwenzakaleni, not ungene uthi uyangazi mina nokungazi izinto osuzisho ngami la ku-social media kwasho kwacima like, and I didn't know ukuthi what to say. Yabona at this point anginankinga ukuthi uye kuphi, but if umndeni waka-Amanda uthe Nonsi nihoste i-live kwenzakala u-1 no-2 no-3 no-4, mina ngingenile emini kwi-live yakhona eshowe and ngangena kuthiwa umina kavula ikhamera, ngathi mina umina ngayivula ikhamera, and I will not lie ekuthenini kade sila izolo ugeli lo wase eshowe uthe uNonsi we reach out kuyena kunalokho wasitrendisa. Where is the proof ukuthi ngintrendisile? Ngoba ngiveze i-screenshot esodwa kwi-live where angibingelelwanga ngi-addressiwe ngamblock u-Amanda ngizange ngize ngimblock. If mina bengekho kwi-live kaPhiwe to stand for my brand and for myself, igama lami ngabe lidicilele phansi. Angithi ngithe sengingenile mina la kwi-live waqala manje wathi uma ukusendelile, there was no accountability. Akukho la i-accountability ayithathe khona. Like anginandaba ne-screenshot at this point, and there is